Unlock studio quality lighting for your Sony A1 with the powerful Godox A1600 Pro Strobe. First, let's get physically connected. Gently slide the Godox A1600 Pro onto your Sony A1's hot shoe, ensuring it clicks securely into place. This establishes the physical and electrical connection for synchronization. On your Sony A1, navigate to the camera's menu. Access the flash or external flash settings. We'll want to find the option for flash mode and set it to manual or TTL depending on your preference. For this tutorial focusing on precise control, we'll be using manual. Now, let's set up the strobe itself. Power on your Godox A1600 Pro. On its integrated control panel, you'll see a power adjustment dial or buttons. Begin by setting your strobe's power level for a base starting point. Try a moderate power like 1/8 or 1/4. You can adjust this later based on your scene and desired exposure. To ensure your strobe fires precisely and the shutter is pressed, we need to adjust synchronization settings. If you're using the hot shoe connection, your camera's built-in flash sync should automatically trigger the strobe. However, for ultimate reliability, consider using a sync cable. Connect one end to your Sony A1 sync terminal and the other to the dedicated sync port on the Godox A1600 Pro. This bypasses any potential hot shoe communication issues. With both camera and strobe configured, it's time to test your setup. Take a test shot. Review the image on your Sony A1's LCD. If the image is too dark, increase the power on your Godox A1600 Pro. If it's too bright, decrease the power. Remember to also adjust your camera's aperture and ISO to fine-tune the exposure and achieve your desired depth of field and light sensitivity. Now, let's explore creative lighting. To create a soft, diffused light, attach a soft box or umbrella to the Godox A1600 Pro stand adapter for a more focused beam. Utilize a grid or snoot. Experiment with positioning the strobe relative to your subject. Side lighting can create dramatic shadows, while front lighting offers a more even illumination. The Godox A1600 Pro's versatility allows for endless creative possibilities. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to achieving professional quality studio lighting with your Sony A1 and the robust Godox A1600 Pro Strobe, elevating your photography to the next level.